Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick tip on drainage tools in InfraWorks. So in this model here, I have a simple site that I've actually extracted out of a region, and I want to figure out what's the limit of my drainage pattern in here, a watershed. And it looks like I have a drainage channel right here and proposing to develop something in this region. And so it looks like we got an outfall right here. I'm just going to delete this here. And let's just see how big of a watershed we have in this giant region. So I'm going to go onto my analysis tab, drainage, and select watershed. And then I'll click right here as close as I can to that outfall. And then I'll change my grid spacing and my stream threshold. I'm going to pull it back. That way I can grab more accurate data. I'll click enter. And then it's going to analyze the terrain, LiDAR terrain within the model, and try to analyze what the watershed is. Click OK, and there you go. As you can see here, this is what it looked like, or it came out for the results. And then I'll click on here. So in here, I can go and say, okay, I'm going to use the rational, and my coefficient could be, 0.35 or 0.35 for like a pasture or grass, undeveloped area. And then my rainfall data, you'll get that from the NOAA website or your engineering design manual. Maybe it's 8.5 for your rainfall intensity. So we have roughly 1,014 CFS going to that low point. Or you can also go to the regression section and then pick your state and then say Texas and then your region. So whatever region you're in, you'll pick it. And then it shows you for 10-year, 20, 50-year, 100-year event. Okay. For how much Q you actually go into this low point here. Now, the only part is you can't modify this, but what you could do is take this and then bring it into Civil 3D, and it comes in as a pattern, and then you can use that pattern as a catchment area and continue your analysis. So this is just a quick tip of how to take advantage of the drainage tools in InfraWorks. All right, thanks for watching.